Delhi Capitals this year have an excellent chance of not only making it to the IPL playoffs but may have a chance of winning the IPL title. So far, they have won 6 matches. They need just 2 more out of the 6 remaining to get into the playoffs. There are a couple of factors why I rate DC very, very highly. First of all, the team combination is very good. The balance seems very good. They have a coach in Ricky Ponting, a man I hugely admire as one of the greatest batsmen to have played the game, probably the best puller in the game. He brings in a lot of understanding. He knows the pain that players go through. He has gone himself through a period of transition as a player to making it to the captain of Australia, also as a coach later. But let's talk about his batsmanship, who was always ultra aggressive, who would always take on the bowlers of the other side. And he has a sense of understanding and empathy, which is not seen often in a modern coach. I like the way, even before the IPL started, when the players descended in the UAE, and he spoke about the heat and that he would not push his players to overtrain. He did not want his players to peak before. So those are very important factors, because when you talk about a burnout, then these are things easier said than done. Strategy, analysis, of course, it comes later, but you are dealing with a bunch of human beings who are international sports stars, and you should know how to deal with them and also have a right sense about when they are peaking, and they should not be exposed to the brutal heat of UAE, like Ponting rightly said. Talking about the openers, you have Shikhar and Prithvi. Shikhar Dhawan, as we all know, is a very fine limited overs batsman. He knows how to pace the game. He knows how to go for the shots and when to go. Keeping him company is Prithvi Shaw, the former under-19 World Cup winning captain of the Indian side. Prithvi has a lot riding on his shoulders. He brings in a lot of promise, has been billed by many experts as a very fine prospect, technically correct. But he does have one major problem, which I noticed, which is that he gets out to the short ball. When the ball is above his shoulder, he goes in for the pull shot or the hook shot and often mistimes it, getting caught in the deep. So possibly Prithvi can learn, have an extended session from Ricky Ponting and figure that flaw out. Otherwise, he seems like an excellent prospect. 2 very good spinners in the side. Ravi Ashwin, one of the finest spinners in the world, with his enormous experience in Test cricket and with his variations, which are phenomenal. Where Akshar Patel is concerned, he has variations. He keeps a tight leash on the batsman, but he's himself a very good batsman, and he can kick in when his side requires to either match up or accelerate in certain moments of trouble, and he has the ability to go for the big shots. So he's a big asset to the team. Rabada and Nokia are 2 of their fast men. Particularly when you talk about Nokia, he bowled 156 kilometers plus, the fastest ball ever bowled in the IPL, and it got him a wicket. So he has absolutely changed the dynamics for DC, and with Rabada, who's also blindingly fast and has great control. So they have changed the equation where DC is concerned. They can bowl well in the opening spell. They can bowl very well also in the death overs, though in one of the matches, Rabada did go for 30 plus, but then that might have had an off day. The good bowlers always learn very quickly how to match up to a particular situation. They do have problems with injuries. Rishabh Pant is out with an hamstring injury. No one knows yet when he would be fit to return. So Amit Mishra and Ishant Sharma are also out of the tournament with different kinds of injuries. Ishant Sharma had a rib cage injury, so he needs to worry about his own future. But they would obviously be missing all these 3 players because of injury. In the absence of Rishabh Pant, DC has brought in Alex Carey as the wicketkeeper, and because of that, one of my favourite batsmen, Hetmyer of the West Indies, is out for the time being. Hetmyer, I would love to. I know it's a bit much, but I totally adore Viv Richards. Have travelled many a mile to see him play when in his time, and he reminds me of Viv Richards. He has the ability to go for the big shots. And like Michael Slater said, who has seen him play in the West Indies league circuit quite a bit, that he has the ability to tee off relentlessly, which means that he can hit at will. Unfortunately, Hetmyer is sitting out, so probably if they can figure a way of bringing him back, DC would be that much stronger. So they have the pacers, they have the spinners, they have the batsmen, and an excellent coach. What they also have is Shreyas Iyer, a young man as captain who brings a lot of calmness to his play, who has a deep understanding of the game, and like they were saying, that he has an old head on young shoulders. It's a very good combination. Can DC win this title?